Bumbuckler media. Dance for real, post.
Yeah, what style, man, for your device? I don't know, so I want fully brave God skeleton then I represent for FollowIG TV Entertainment. I mean, I say, yo, alright, that's the artists and the baddest review them, man, you hear me? Yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe, you know, click the notification bell to get notified fully.
You hang out with 12 gauge, make big 12 head spread out. You know, stop call for me yet.
Viewers and subscribers, guess what? Valiant drop his song. And this is up top boss now. So you know say round one that viewers and subscribers and the song titled Timaya. Yeah man, me don't know what kind of title that, but me I tell you say artists that chat big things in a song viewers and subscribers. You hear me I say a whole heap of thing, boss all I say you whole of your friend them dead out. Be a thing. EP make you go on so. You see me? A whole heap of thing artists are going along to one engineer them involved in it too. Viewers and subscribers. Me not talk no name or nothing, you know, but I make you know say song them drop, you know. So I want to know go over there and want to be one, want to be judge, want to grade the song them, you see me? And me I tell you say the two songs them are fiery right now on the same rhythm. And you don't know say this remind me of Vibes Cartel and Movado days, you know. No joke on the same rhythm. You see me? That he go there. Yeah man, so right now a greatness me I go see another clash ya. No joke, the artist them I go come lyrically. Whole heap of thing, I watch you know one a hardcore artist and one of them a sing J, so you know that go already, you know man. So I want to know guys we go listen to artists them. You see me, if you know pick on the side, you know pick on the side, but I want some honest comment in the comment section. You see me, FollowIG TV Entertainment over here, you know me did not keep it clean and work with the underground artists, but me I tell you say war them, the war is on man. You see me, new year, new speech, you don't know, someone to know guys remember to like, share, subscribe to FollowIG TV Entertainment, you know, you don't know they are putting the work in of viewers and subscriber, slowly but surely, you see yeah man, remember to hit the bell icon to be notified anytime when we drop a review. You see I'm saying oh, go over Valiant Vivo right now. Go listening song when drop couple hours ago. You see me and go over up top bass at a Teejay and go listen theme song when drop couple hours ago said we and grade it and see which one of the artists them win round one. You see me? And make sure you know input. You see hundreds.
You have a picture, you could have drift little more, but me rich on you. I ain't a bad that clown.